Welcome back to Watch You Go. Today, we're looking at the top 10 OMS-3 fatty acids of all time. Number 10. Mead acid. Mead acid is an omega-9 fatty acid. First characterized by James F. Mead. As with some other omega-9 polyunsaturated fatty acids, animals can make mead acid de novo. Its elevated presence in the blood is an indication of essential fatty acid deficiency. Number 9. Docosatetraenoic acid. Docosatetraenoic acid, ETA, designates any straight-chain 20-4 fatty acid. Docosatetraenoic acid belongs to the family of eicosanoids, molecules synthesized from oxidized polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, to mediate cell-cell communication. Number 8. Docosatetraenoic acid. Docosatetraenoic acid designates any straight-chain 22-4 fatty acid. See essential fatty acid for nomenclature. One isomer is of particular interest. All cis-7, 10, 13, 16 docosatetraenoic acid is an omega-6 fatty acid with the common name adrenic acid. ADA. This is a naturally occurring polyunsaturated fatty acid formed through a 2-carbon chain elongation of arachidonic acid. It is one of the most abundant fatty acids in the early human brain. Number 7. Parinaric acid. Alpha-parinaric acid is a conjugated polyunsaturated fatty acid, discovered by Sugimoto and Koyanagi in 1933. It contains 18 carbon atoms and 4 conjugated double bonds. The repeating single-bond double-bond structure of alpha-parinaric acid distinguishes it structurally and chemically from the usual, methylene-interrupted, arrangement of polyunsaturated fatty acids that have double bonds and single bonds separated by a methylene unit -CH2-. Number 6. Oleic acid. Oleic acid is a fatty acid that occurs naturally in various animal and vegetable fats and oils. It is an odorless, colorless oil, although commercial samples may be yellowish. In chemical terms, oleic acid is classified as a monounsaturated omega-9 fatty acid, abbreviated with a lipid number of 18-1 cis-9. It has the formula CH3, CH2, 7CH equals CH, CH2, 7COOH. The name derives from the Latin word oleum, which means oil. It is the most common fatty acid in nature. Number 5. Catalpic acid. Catalpic acid is a conjugated polyunsaturated fatty acid. The melting point of this fatty acid is 32 degrees Celsius. Catalpic acid occurs naturally in the seeds of Catalpa ovata and southern Catalpa. Catalpa bignonioides. Number 4. Gamma-linolenic acid. Gamma-linolenic acid or GLA. Gamma-linolenic acid, in gamma-lenic acid, is a fatty acid found primarily in seed oils. Number 3. Jacaric acid. Jacaric acid is a conjugated polyunsaturated fatty acid with a melting point of 44 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Docosapentaenoic acid. Docosapentaenoic acid, DPA, designates any straight-chain 22-5 fatty acid. That is a straight-chain open-chain type of polyunsaturated fatty acid. PUFA, which contains 22 carbons and 5 double bonds. DPA is primarily used to designate 2 isomers, all cis-4, 7, 10, 13, 16 docosapentaenoic acid, i.e. 4Z, 7Z, 10Z, 13Z, 16Z docosapentaenoic acid, and all cis-7, 10, 13, 16, 19 docosapentaenoic acid, i.e. 7Z, 10Z, 13Z, 16Z, 19Z docosapentaenoic acid. Number 1. Tetracosahexaenoic acid. Nisanic acid is a very long-chain polyunsaturated omega-3 fatty acid. Similar to docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. The lipid name is 24-6-N3, and the chemical name is all cis 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 tetracosahexaenoic acid.